我觉得是扣，正3的短裤，都不起来。然后我有长裤了，我有长裤跟帽子，我还有长袖，
Your lips keep staring, feels like 100 degrees. Takes only an inch to meet my jaw with your cheek. The air that you'll breathe is in me. Inhaling your peace, that's a small part of you I'm keeping with me. So don't get too shy when you're laying next to me. It's you that I'm keeping in reach. Swear it's eternity, spending one day with you. Everything good about me is hidden right with you. Chose not to speak. I let my bad days turn to something ugly. You taught me my flaws were places to find beauty. I'm pretty.
是第7点半，对不对？
It took a lifetime to catch up to have your wisdom. I learned that time was measured by when I'm not with you. Keep me in your atmosphere where I belong. I'm gasping your ether till it burns my lungs. Your eyes in my eyes, here's all the distance we need.
满面春风哎，你们！
How we doing, guys?
对于要去脱衣舞娘俱乐部，你有什么感想？
超级无聊，有什么好去的？就想回去睡觉了，还在拖我去。记录一下啦。不懂。
有。先模拟一下。
Spend my nights up awake, spend my days in the clouds. I've been on the same wave, I've been surfing the moon too.
现在去哪里？
脱衣舞俱乐部。
看你也蛮兴奋的，我不知道你有啥兴奋什么。我都没你那么兴奋。是不是？我都没有。那你为什么这么兴奋？
我没有了，
你也期待很久，对不对？
睡觉，
然后赶快进去睡觉。
赶快100块要去睡觉了。
赶快进去房间睡觉。
对，然后去穿。
你就直接跟他谈，this is why，
所以我一点他就会说买 drinks 啊，
奇怪，
100块，然后 drinks 20块，我喜欢粉色。
I can watch you from
大了。为什么你要躲在这里？这是厨房哎，还有咖啡机。She doesn't recognize the gem that made her spark. 不得不拍的有点烂，就是会一直很晃。
33个。哎，可是我们不是在那个。
我刚刚只看到里面内容。还不错。拿地瓜叶吗？地瓜叶。是，我给你交换一点。
Said you're a beautiful talker, a singer of pictures, a pixie-tongued hawker, a jingle man who keeps lost treasures in the palm of his hand.
我
Did he really love her and did he treat her well? He blessed her always till one day he headed west. But what was she to him, she asked, was it just a test? He had wanted to turn a nickel into a dime. See what makes the bells of San Goldwyn chime. Now when she sees him on a flat screen in the dark, she doesn't recognize the gem.
你现在多丢一件，明天就可以多买一件了。
Crimson and peach, your lips keep staring, feels like 100 degrees. Takes only an instant, need my jaw with your cheek. The air that you breathe into me. Inhaling your peace, that's a small part of you I'm keeping with me. So don't get too shy when you're laying next to me. It's you that I'm keeping in reach. Swear it's eternal.